Every picture tells a story, calling you to explore it. World with you, through the lens of Ravindra Kumar Gupta, RKG. The impressive tower bridge built with giant movable roadways that lift up for passing ships, considered as engineering marvel and beyond, being one of London's favourite icons in United Kingdom. The whopping lattice arch of the grand and famous Wembley Stadium in London bathed in sunlight emanating from the heavy clouds hanging over it. Spectacular view of sunset through exquisite wine in Cotswolds. Sunset creating unique atmospheric conditions with such intense orange and red colours of the sun and the surrounding sky in Yorkshire. Peaceful view of Christ Church in Tootham Green Park near Chiswick High Road in London, United Kingdom. This church is serving the community with various courses and meetings. Two little innocent and cute sisters dressed like princes in Harrods store in London, United Kingdom. Iconic view of Trafalgar Square, which is a landmark place in London due to its wonderful fountains and architecture. It hosts many cultural events, performances and shows over the year. Located at the heart of London's West End, Regent Street is one of the world's most prestigious shopping and lifestyle destinations, famous for its more than 75 international flagship stores. Regent Street is a location on the British version of Monopoly as a group of three green squares with Oxford Street and Bond Street. Pretty view of many water fountains in a park in London, UK. The race is on. Beautiful photo of horse racing competition at Royal Windsor Racecourse. Set on its own island on the banks of the River Thames, 165-acre lush green Royal Windsor Racecourse is the perfect picturesque and versatile venue for horse racing and other events. A professional jockey posing with his horse at Windsor Racecourse in London, United Kingdom. Horse racing is an equestrian performance sport, typically involving two or more horses ridden by jockeys or sometimes without riders over a set distance for competition. It is one of the most ancient of all sports. Flock of swans enjoying in River Avon in Abbey Park, Evesham, in Worcestershire, England. Abbey Park is approximately 3 hectares of gorgeous parkland with stunning landscaping, adventurous play areas, historic monuments, all running parallel to the River Avon. Beautiful view of blooming flowers in a pond in Abbey Park, Evesham, England. Abbey Park is manicured park with lawns, landscaped borders, a skate park, lily pond and water play fountains. Beautiful view of the Shard, formerly London Bridge Tower, which is a 95-story super tall skyscraper, designed by the Italian architect Renzo Piano, in Southwark, London. Standing 309.6 meters, 1,016 feet high, the Shard is the tallest building in the United Kingdom, the tallest building in the European Union, and the 5th tallest building in Europe. Postcard aerial view of London Tower Bridge with River Thames along with other historical buildings from the Shard Tower. The Shard Tower in London offers visitors views from the skyscraper, with 2 viewing platforms inside the building. The first is a triple-level indoor gallery on level 69 and the second is a partially outdoor gallery on level 72. Picturesque view of London City from Shard Tower. The Shard is home to some of the best offices, restaurants and hotel rooms in London, England, along with breathtaking views from the tower. Amazing view of London and Thames River from Shard Tower. The River Thames is a river that flows through southern England including London. With a length of 215 miles, it is the longest river in entire England and the second longest in the United Kingdom, after the River Severn. Sizzling sunset view in Cotswolds, England. The Cotswolds is an area in south central and southwest England comprising a range of rolling hills that rise from the meadows of the Upper Thames to an escarpment, known as the Cotswolds Edge, above the Severn Valley and Evesham Valley. Rarest amazing red color sunset view in Cotswolds, England. Famous for quintessentially English market towns and villages built from honey-colored stone, the Cotswolds are a range of gently rolling hills and the largest area of outstanding natural beauty in England and Wales. High-quality juicy cherries, raspberries, blueberries and strawberries along with different variety of grapes and other fruits are in abundance in Cotswolds Market in Gloucestershire in England. An artist perfectly dressed as the great William Shakespeare outside his museum in his birthplace and the Shakespeare Centre in Stratford-upon-Avon in United Kingdom. The museum features exhibits related to costume and textiles, decorative and applied art, archives, fine art, coins and medals, social history, medicine, personalities and archaeology. Stunning statues of two horses in Royal Windsor Racecourse in London, England. It hosts many exciting events throughout the year.